sake of CONCACAF President Victor Montagliani being re-elected unopposed and unanimously by all 41 CONCACAF member associations. So Victor marches triumphantly on for another 4-year term. But look, we all know what it is. Montagliani is the FIFA-anointed new dispensation leader in CONCACAF. He was basically put there to stop the emergence of another Jack Warner or Chuck Blazer. So this thing about total unity in the CONCACAF community, this is more about total control than total unity. Just taking a look here at the CONCACAF council membership or the CONCACAF executive. We see officials from Turks and Caicos, Barbados, Canada, Honduras, USA, Belize, Costa Rica. But conspicuously, no officials from Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, or Grand Cayman, the countries of the late Captain Horace Burrell, Jack Warner, and Jeff Webb. What a strange coincidence. Anyway, it is what it is, and we know what it is. All 41 CONCACAF nations singing harmoniously from the same song sheet. This is a kind of Russian style democracy.